How to join people without being friends with them in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. Then, you'll find a search bar at the top. Simply click on the search bar and type in the username of the person you want to join. After you search their username, you'll find their profile in here. Simply select their profile. After you've selected their profile, you'll find three dots in here. Click on three dots. And if they have made it public and if they're playing any game, you will find it in an option which is play together. After you click on it, you will enter the same server as them. And this is how to join people without being friends with them in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.